Hey, let's talk about environmental conditions. We're on a downhill slope. It's really easy to start speeding and losing control. Like this person in this truck, they're just drifting over left and right. People with snowplow trucks tend to be a little bit more hazardous. They have that big plow. Yes, they're trying to do a positive good, but they're kind of all over the road. We all have the little old man or little old lady in the neighborhood trying to plow everyone out, but they end up hitting your car. Currently, that car's stuck right now. So this is real life. I'm keeping it real with you out here in North America. So they're stuck. They got all-wheel drive. So you just want to be patient and be careful. I'm keeping space. I'm not trying to be on top of cars right now. And you have to learn patience. This vehicle also has lane departure, but I cut those things off. Your best lane departure is in your brain, because our brain is the best computer. So I'm maintaining good speed right now. You feel me on that? If you feel me on that, give me a thumbs up, right? Let me know you're here. Let's keep it real. And I'm very passionate. You know that. If you've seen my content, I'm keeping it real. I'm a driver's ed instructor. Been doing driver's ed 21 years. Looking over my left shoulder. This is one of the most dangerous intersections in North America. It's a double left turn. So I want to make sure I'm staying in the appropriate lane. And I'm just going nice and slow. There's that guy with that blade again. Be careful with those. So I'm just taking my time. I'm backed off. And I want to be able to see. So you have a double left turn. We're in the outside lane, so when we turn, we'll be all the way to the right. The two lanes to the right of me, one lane goes right and two lanes go straight. So it's really confusing. So hence, this is why people have accidents. So I'm just waiting here patiently. I could move up a little bit, but I'm not trying to do that. Also, be a casual observer. You can see there's that guy in the blade again in that truck flying. Okay, I'm keeping it real out here. Got to really be careful. So now I have a green turning arrow. I'm going to go up and stay in my lane. You know what that means? Stay in your lane. Do your job. Stay in your lane. So I'm already in the intersection. Once you enter, you have a right to leave it. Notice I didn't stop and panic. So I'm going in slow and easy, and I'm taking my time. Right? I'm turning on my right turn signal because I'm trying to get some French toast. And tell me what you're having for breakfast here in America or wherever you're at around the world. I definitely want to hear. So I'm turning in hand over hand. It says no semi trucks, and I'm not trying to get stuck, but it could happen. Guys, ladies, I love you and I appreciate you. I'm going to bring you some great content today. Thank you so much for supporting me. Give it a thumbs up, please.